Are bananas good for acid reflux? Going bananas over acid reflux? Don't worry. We've consulted the experts to help. Welcome to the Fast Vegan. Let's dive in. Bananas and acid reflux. Bananas are generally considered to be a good food choice for people who suffer from acid reflux. They are low in acid content and have a natural antacid effect, which can help neutralize stomach acids and provide relief from heartburn symptoms. According to Healthline, bananas have a PHAVE level of around 5.6, which makes them less acidic than many other fruits. Be sure to like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. Benefits of bananas for acid reflux. Natural antacid effect. The natural antacid properties of bananas can help neutralize stomach acid and provide relief from heartburn symptoms. High in fiber. Bananas are a good source of dietary fiber, which can help to promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation, a factor that can contribute to acid reflux. Low in fat. Bananas are a low-fat food, which makes them less likely to trigger acid reflux symptoms compared to high-fat foods. Potassium. Bananas are a rich source of potassium, a mineral that helps to maintain the balance of acids and bases in the body. According to Mayo Clinic, this can be beneficial for individuals who suffer from acid reflux. Easily digestible. Bananas are easily digestible and less likely to cause irritation in the stomach lining, making them a safe option for those with acid reflux. However, it is important to note that individual reactions to foods can vary. While bananas are generally considered to be a good option for those with acid reflux, some people may find that they trigger their symptoms. It is essential to monitor your body's response and adjust your diet accordingly. For more information on managing acid reflux and maintaining a healthy vegan lifestyle, visit thefastveganbrand.com.